Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix AMD Adrenalin Error 195. All right, so let's begin with the video. It usually means the AMD software installer cannot connect properly to download the required driver files. There are a few steps you can follow to fix this issue. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for AMD software, Adrenalin Edition, and open the official AMD website from the search results. On the AMD page, look for the option to download software and then click Download Windows Drivers. Once you click the download button, the installer will begin downloading to your computer. After the file finishes downloading, open the folder where it was saved and run the installer. The installer will then begin checking your computer hardware to confirm driver and software compatibility. During this process, make sure you have saved all your work because the installation may require a restart. When the installer shows the installation options, you can open additional options and change the software type. In many cases, selecting driver only instead of the full software package can help avoid the error and install the graphics driver successfully. If the installation still fails, another possible fix is temporarily disabling Windows security protection. Open the Windows search bar and search for virus and threat protection. Open it and go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings, then temporarily turn off real-time protection. After turning it off, try running the AMD installer again. Once the installation is complete, make sure to turn real-time protection back on to keep your system secure. After following these steps, the AMD driver should install correctly, and the error 195 issue should be resolved. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix AMD Adrenalin Error 195. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.